record me. There you go.
Oh, okay.
And now, ladies and gentlemen.
This isn't recording right now, is it?
I don't know. Hang on.
Oh, it is.
That's recording.
Oh, yeah.
This could be what we do for
12 seconds.
Shit. Well, I can't edit video, so hang on.
It's detecting your face. Huzzah! What is this?
I have no idea. It is Task Manager. Uptime 4 minutes. Typical Windows. Just,
Typical Windows uptime of 4 minutes.
It's so complicated. This thing is utilization.
Yeah.
Wow.
It has fancy names, fancy words.
So
you're gonna have to be. It's going to be kind of awkward using it on its side.
okay. Startup users. Oh, you've changed your username to your name.
No, that's what it takes that automatically. Like it pulls it from the cloud and has that as your.
Pulls it from the cloud, which is useless because we're not connected to anything.
No, it's stored locally as well. It's just that all your settings and everything are then synchronized to the cloud, so that should you sign into another Windows 8 PC, you've got all your settings and everything there.
It's got thingy profiles. I can't remember what they're called. Oh, there's the start. No,
I put it up there because I'm used to having it up there. That's the only real reason why.
You're such a troll, Chris.
Or trollish.
Sure, Stomach's normally down here. Anyone would be like, oh no, hang on. I didn't. Oh.
Yeah. Basically, it uses this thing called corners.
Oh, there we go. Oh, right.
It uses this thing called corners where if you put the mouse into the on the right side, if you put the mouse into either corner over there, you get up.
Oh.
I think you're doing yeah, you got that corner there.
Can you still do this? Should be interesting.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's the task switcher in the side.
That's still up.
Well, no shit.
So how do you get out of this? Oh.
Right click basically is like your context menu. It's like it brings up your options.
Okay.
Home just gets you to the app.
Feedback. Oh yeah.
Seriously, the start button is 10 times more useful or used more often in Windows 8 than. Seriously, if you don't know what to do, just press the start button and you kind of get out of everything.
So those with an IBM Model M keyboard.
Yeah.
You're screwed.
I think you may be right. A Model M is.
Model M.
Unless they can, I'm sure they can get a bit of software to.
This is nice. This is holding it on an angle, by the way.
Yeah, that's cool. Hipster.
Look into my eyes. No, Chris, it doesn't get. It's off you find out it's a screen.
Oh, okay. Holding it closer to my eyes doesn't actually do anything.
Look how cool it is. How happy it makes me.
You know what? There is actually a thing for Xbox at the moment. It's basically submit a video of how Xbox makes your life happy and all this, stuff. It's basically make a marketing video for us, and we'll give you $100 grand or something.
$100
I can't remember what the prize is, but it's pretty good.
It's probably like some other currency where $100 grand is about 50 pence.
Like yen, yeah.
I've just got all the people on YouTube just see the train and.
Yes, we are on a train.
This is Aeroglass.
I don't love that. Aeroglass overlaid on top of the
hardware version.
more like Aerogloss.
It's rather unexciting. Yeah. There's nothing really here.
The reason it isn't doing anything right now, and the tiles aren't live, is because there is no internet connection. It's pretty important. Oh, jeez.
We are now approaching Starbridge.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll just turn that up.
This is another thing you can do. If you see the little hand at the top there, tiny little hand. If you hold down that and then drag down, this actually lets you move the thing around, so you can place it on the sides. And then you have the little pane on the side.
Now we've still got the snap to. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So where's Word? No, you wouldn't have Word.
I haven't got Word installed on it now.
Do you have any of the programs installed? Where's Paint?
I haven't really installed anything because I only made a 32 gig partition.
But Paint will be on here.
Paint, it doesn't actually have Paint.
No Paint?
It has something called, no, crazy. It's Windows without, at least I don't think it has. You can try searching for it. That's another useful thing on the start screen.
We need a red Windows button.
Press this.
Instead of escape key. Okay. Where's the find? They've got rid of the find.
What you do instead is you just start typing anything in here. So it does have Paint.
Paint's on here.
You basically type to find whatever app you want.
look at this touch feature. Oh, hang on.
You can't touch the screen. I know it's shiny and
This
glossy,
is
but
Starbridge Junction.
it's also
Next
dusty
station
and really not that
is
nice.
Hagley.
All your context keys still work properly. Control C, or is it Windows C does something? I forget what that is. Windows C. Windows C brings up that little thing on the side, which gives you the sort of contexts. That's basically, if you're on a tablet, you press that to do the search thing you've just done.
Right.
Share is like, yes, all my settings and personal information.
Oh, control panel. Oh, look. User counts. Oh, no. Oh, so yeah, okay, we've still got the same.
You've still got the same power.
Features.
I mean, you've even got BitLocker and everything available on there, except I haven't
Because
got.
you've downloaded the free version, which obviously is going to include everything.
But I haven't got the TPM module on the.
Consumer preview.
I haven't got the TPM module. I'm sad.
The
It's not built in.
laptop from 2006 has,
Yeah, I know. Ironic, isn't it?
ironically,
Consumerism.
IBM.
Consumerism at its finest.
Yes, shiny screen and nothing else. Well, at least it's very nice. Shiny.
I think it is.
I hate it. Give me XP. And look, you've taken your Windows 8 sticker off. No, Windows 7 sticker off.
Yeah. No, I took that off a while ago. Yeah, no, I don't know. I've still got the i5 left there. It's just.
It's an advertising billboard for everyone. Look,
Basically.
everyone. Look what I run.
Look at this happiness. Let's just take a screenshot of that happiness.
It's so delightful. Yeah, this is, and
It's I like the improvements to the
buy it.
desktop. I like the improvements to the desktop.
what desktop? There isn't a desktop. Well,
That is the desktop.
Oh yeah, right. So that's your desktop, which
Yeah.
there's nothing there. That's,
No, because I haven't installed anything yet, basically.
At least it still has Windows Explorer. This is the biggest
Yeah.
change they've ever done to Windows since
It is since
95.
on the start menu. Yeah.
They've gone back to Windows 3.1 garish colours. No, they haven't.
This is what Windows is always meant to be. Maybe I'm not sure.
More like tiles, not Windows. They should call it Windows Tiles.
Everyone's saying that they shouldn't call it Windows anymore because it is so different, especially on tablets.
It's a large mobile phone. Hello. Oh, hang on. Let me check my app. You just need another screen.
What's
here.
this? A disk drive in 2012?
Don't look at that. It's not bad.
We are now approaching
What I like about it is actually it's the interface for
You're going to show
consumers.
off today, aren't you?
Consumers.
You're going to be like, Joanne. Look what I got. Wow.
It's a new laptop, and it is so cool.
Oh, absolutely. Cool is the word.
Oh, here's another thing as well. You'll like this because you're so vain. Camera.
I'm not vain. You just okay, says the person with a. Oh look everybody, we've turned the shiny screen and made it the actual thing.
As in,
Too dark to pick up.
I know it's a really bad exposure.
Oh look, it's train station. Oh look.
Hagley. The next station is Kidderminster.
Now you know where we are. This is Hagley.
Yes. Now everyone's going to know where we live. Not.
I could say something about small boys in Hagley, but that would be inappropriate.
Yes. I'll hold the camera.
Problem.
There's a park over there.
I'll be honest, this probably isn't the best place to show Windows 8 because it's
I think it's
so much of the things
Windows,
you need an internet connection for. So
But we're showing the alternatives of Windows. I almost said 95. 90, no.
Windows 1. Windows 3.1.
Start me up. I'm doing business on the train.
Well, I think it should be pretty cool.
It's it won't. Nothing. Hitting escape should remove whatever you have.
You think so, wouldn't you? But of
Alt
course, on tablets there won't be an escape key. There'll only be a Windows key.
Alt F4 works still.
Windows C. It's all Windows plus a command now rather than Control.
It's
which is
do you
really
know
interesting.
in Windows XP, and you had that option that says, "Ooh, you've made your computer non-Windows. Turn it back to using Windows products. So take iTunes and replace it with media
Right.
player. This is basically like Windows. Oh, you're going to install it? No, you don't need to install another program. You've got Internet Explorer.
Yeah, seriously.
You've got MSE on here.
It is indeed.
Soft security. Oh, Norton and all the other AV companies going to love that.
Oh yeah, Windows Defender. You don't need anything else.
Gentlemen, any passengers wishing to travel to Blakedown, this service will not be calling there. You stay on the train to Kidderminster and then catch the next available service from Kidderminster, calling at Blakedown.
Well, that sucks for anyone wanting to go to Blakedown, doesn't it?
I can't find security essentials, so I assume
It's called Windows Defender on this one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Or just Defender, I think.
Oh, yeah, oh, there it was. Defender.
Defender of the peace.
Ah, yes, it's called Windows Defender, and it is
Pretty
Windows
much.
MSE.
Zoom, hyper zoom, just for the sake of it.
Yes, it does zoom in quite well, I think.
It does.
Yeah, although you can
Zoom,
see it.
like a zoom.
So, am I to assume they're going to change the name of it to Windows Defender?
I guess so.
Instead of Security Essentials.
It's exactly the same program,
Wow.
other than slightly different font, maybe.
We'll get an update. No, the font's the same.
Really?
Yeah, looks the
Oh.
same.
Snap still works in Aero. Everything. Basically, it's Windows 7 with
Yes.
improvements, and then another slice of the
Do you know
pie
how
on top.
I would set this up?
Yeah.
I would set this up like this. I would go.
You're gonna go to classic mode, aren't you?
There isn't a classic mode.
There is. If you go to
Wait, no, there isn't.
oh, hang on.
No.
I'm sure there is a version for it.
There's Windows Basic.
If you go to Windows Color, I'm sure if you go to Window
Oh
Color.
my god, look at that. That's garish.
Ooh.
Ah.
You know, people were saying that in the screenshots that the basic version gel better with Metro, but honestly,
It does.
it really doesn't.
Okay, so that's your desktop. Then you've got.
Yes.
Okay. So. Oh, you've got no pause break button, have you?
No.
Hang on. Might be that.
This is a consumer laptop.
Oh.
Pause break doesn't exist.
I was going to bring up. Never mind. I can't use it. I have to have a start menu. How long are we running this video?
That's the thing. I was about 12 minutes so far.
YouTube's gonna-
Coming up 13. It's just very random, isn't it?
Should we wrap it up? I don't know.
Explore.
Yeah, it's not a...
That's weird. I mean, I've been using it for a while, and I'm kind of getting used to not having the start menu because I tend to just press start and like press start, type something in. You know, you get to whatever program you want, but it is weird to adjust to.
Okay, so this
be
is
honest.
nice. This is nice if you have a new laptop with a touchscreen.
Yeah. Or you have a tablet with a touchscreen. It's great, as everyone's been saying. Because let's be honest, no one's really going to bother upgrading to it
No.
unless they get it installed on a new laptop when they buy it.
Do you think this will work for business? Do businesses will buy this?
I think the only thing that they'll buy into would be that maybe they have like Metro is play, desktop is work. If people kind of separate those two paradigms, then, you know, because no one's really going to do any actual productivity in Metro at the moment anyway.
All of this stuff requires the internet then, yeah.
But say you had a laptop or a tablet and you docked it to like a big screen, have the big screen for the desktop,
Shame for advertising.
have the tablet for... Yeah, you forgot to cover up this thing here. We'll just call it
This isn't...
BWs.
This is nothing to
Big
do with
Willies.
the card company. Company? Card company. Car company.
We'll have to blur it out in post-production.
Yeah.
Our battery's critical, George. We might want to... yeah.
Okay.
This will be the last thing.
This
No.
would be...
What would be your advice then? As a...
Don't get it. Get it? I don't know.
Try it out.
Yeah. Try it out.
That's the best advice.
See how much you like it, and then stick with Windows 7, or maybe go for another OS. Because there are other OSs out there.
Yes.
Linux-based OSs. You argue
I'm going to zoom in and you're going to say that again, because that's how important it is. You're the Linux poster boy.
Hey, Linux-based operating system. may suit you better. But of course, you're always going to be happy with the Windows PC. That's great. Turn it off.